House Bytown Vocabulary Workshop, Unit 2, Plants and Soil. Garden. Fabulous flowers grow in the garden. Blossom. The cherry tree is beginning to blossom. Colorful. The flowers were so colorful. Plant. Water each plant as often as you need to. Need. Plants need water in order to grow. Pick. She went to the backyard to pick a flower for her mother. Bush. She saw him hiding behind a bush. Grow. This plant can grow in the shade. Tulip. There is a tulip festival in Ottawa every year. Beautiful. She was wearing a beautiful floral dress. House Bytown Vocabulary Workshop, Unit 2, Everything Needs Water. Waste. Don't waste water. Wet. Be careful not to slip on the wet floor. Drink. I drink lots of water when I play soccer. People. Most people need about 4 to 6 cups of water each day. Empty. The glass is empty. Bottle. There was an empty bottle on the table. Wash. Did you wash your hands? Thirsty. After 3 hours in the heat, we were extremely thirsty. Tap. The water was dripping from the tap. Float. Will this container sink or float? House Bytown Vocabulary Workshop, Unit 2, Let's Go on a Picnic. Give. Please, will you give me some of your snacks? Delicious. This is the most delicious dessert I have ever eaten. Snacks. We brought a lot of snacks with us. Relax. This weekend, we're going to go for a walk in the park and just relax. Sandwich. I had a ham sandwich for lunch. Picky. He's such a picky eater. Find. We were finally able to find the perfect place for a picnic. Juice. I always drink a glass of orange juice in the morning. Fresh. Make sure you eat plenty of good fresh food. Lunchbox. I have a slice of pizza in my lunchbox. House Bytown Vocabulary Workshop, Unit 2, Spring Weather. Sunny. If it's sunny later, we can go to the park. Wait. Let's wait for the rain to stop. Thunder. Her dog is afraid of thunder. Cloudy. Tomorrow will be cloudy and cold. Mud. The little girl was covered in mud. Bring. Don't forget to bring an extra pair of socks in case your feet get wet. Splash. Don't splash water at your brother. Raincoat. Is it better to have a raincoat or an umbrella? Rainy. It's been rainy all day today. Umbrella. You shouldn't go out in the rain without an umbrella. House Bytown Vocabulary Workshop, Unit 2,